So we're back. This is a little bit of a different project. This is kind of what we do. We buy and sell a lot of tractors, which feeds into the race lawnmower hobby. So we got the 6320 that we're getting all ready to resell again. Did quite a bit of work to it. We pulled the rear end apart. There was a synchro bad in it, and we fixed that, and then we just cleaned it all up a little bit. Pretty well, the whole machine got painted, got some new tires on the front. Rear is going to have some new rear tires. Injection pump, that's what we're at with now. We actually swapped the injection pump off of 6420. The 6420 got a brand new injection pump because the plan was to keep that tractor at the time. So we figured we'll put the new pump on the 6420, and then we'll put the good used pump on the 6320. This one had an injection pump failure. It was running, but not properly. It was at full throttle. It was kicking in and out, almost like an injector knock. And either way, it ended up being, it was overfueling the system, that cost and the injection pump was the cause of this, which is, it is a common issue, I guess, with these units. So we're just getting the tractor started now. We have been having a little bit of a battle. We've been trying to bleed the system out. So we're just doing the injector line. We'll loosen one injector line. One of them, it doesn't really matter. We're going to check for fuel when we start it. It should start squirting fuel. After that, we can probably loosen all of them and make sure we got fuel to all lines. And then after that, it should really start it up. But I'll give you an idea. This one we loosened up, as you can see. And I'll give you an idea when we turn it over and you can see the fuel come out. So as you can see, there is not much fuel pressure there yet. So we're gonna have to look into that, if I am getting enough fuel pressure to the pump itself or what's going on. So I'll be back with that. I'll see you guys in a little bit. All right, so we're back. I guess we put a battery in it new, but I don't think it's cranking it over fast enough. But anyways, I just hooked up the forklift to it. It's turning it over a little bit quicker. It's not as quick as I like it. But anyways, it is starting to fire now, so which is a good sign. I'll show you a little bit here. So as you can see, it's starting to foam up a little bit, starting to spray out. Obviously, there's still quite a bit of air in the system, but as you can hear in the video, it is starting to kick off. So we'll just close this off. I have a line open up there. We'll shut that too, and I'm hoping in the next little bit it will kick off. I'll fight a little bit with it here. Well, actually, we'll just leave this one open because I imagine it'll need it. We'll see what it does there. Alright, so we got a fire now. As you can see, it started to kick off the top line too. So we'll just close this off and then we should be good. It's a little bit of a prick to get in here, and me holding the phone with one hand and trying to close an ejector line isn't the easiest thing, but needless to say, we're good now. She should fire up. Coolant is good. It's got brand new engine oil, it's got all new filters, it's got brand new rear end oil and filters on it, and we got enough fuel just to run it. And we're gonna fire it up and see how she sounds and go from there. still being a little bit stubborn. Gonna guess we'll be back in a second. I'm gonna start opening up some more lines here and see if we can get it to fire. It's being a pretty stubborn prick anyway, so we'll open this line again. I'll be back in a minute. Okay, we're back. Just took a couple, loosened those suckers off again, make sure fuel was coming out. Loosened that one off again, make sure fuel was coming out, and she fired right up. So let's not make a complete fool out of myself, but let's try it again. Good to go, boys. Running up 4 cylinders right away, which is nice. Sounds really healthy. Tractor only shows 4,000 hours on it. We're gonna finish the tractor off now. We'll check for some leaks, engine, hydraulic, all that other stuff, and then it'll be on the market soon. I'll give it a little bit tour around. So here's the rear end. We cleaned that all up. The 3-point hitch left to put on it. PTO to stick back in it. Yeah, that should be pretty well it. As you can see, it's a really nice clean tractor. The tractor came from the south. If I remember correct, this tractor came from Alabama. We purchased it at auction sale. The rest of the stuff we painted up, like the fenders and the roll bar, that stuff. The hood got painted. It just got all wrecked due to the sun out there. I'd imagine they don't put anything inside over there because it's typically dry. But as you can see underneath the engine, everything is spotless, which is awesome. We like buying them from the south. We've had a whole few tractors that we bought from there, and it just seems that those tractors are so much easier to work on than the tractors that have lived their lives down here in northern Canada. So, as far as I can see, I don't see any immediate leaks on the tractor. On the rear end, yeah, I know there's some leakage there, but that was from all the fuel that drained back from the frame rails back. It's leaked there, but as far as I'm looking at it right now, I don't see any significant leaks that I should be worried about. We're gonna finish off putting the 3-point hitch on it, and then we'll be back. If you guys like to see a little bit more of this stuff, you can just let me know, and we'll keep the videos coming. All right, see you later, guys.